How to fix Dolby Vision on Netflix. So if you want to fix the Dolby Vision on Netflix, then here are some ways. So to get the Dolby Vision on your Netflix, first you want to make sure that your TV is enabled with Dolby Vision. So here's the fix. First, make sure to enjoy the Netflix content in Dolby Vision. You will need to have these things set up to deliver the best possible experience. Because if you don't have these, then you'll not be able to have the Dolby Vision, or your Dolby Vision will get some kind of problem. So what you need to do is first have a Netflix premium plan, because if you don't have a Netflix premium plan, you won't be able to have the Dolby Vision, right? So take a premium plan, and then the next fix is a streaming device enabled with Dolby Vision. Make sure there's a streaming device enabled with the Dolby Vision. And after that, a smart TV enabled with Dolby Vision. Make sure that your smart TV has the option of Dolby Vision, and make sure it's enabled the option. Once you enable the option, now the next thing you need to make sure is a steady internet connection speed of 15 megabits per second or higher. If you don't have that, then your Dolby Vision will get some problems or it will not work. So make sure that you have a steady internet connection with a speed of 15 megabits. And after that, make sure the streaming quality is set to high. So if you've set that to low or medium, then it won't fix your problem. Make sure to go to your streaming quality and then set it to high. Once you set that to high, then your problems will be fixed. So make sure you have all of these, and that's it. That's how you can fix your Dolby Vision on your Netflix. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.